I'm Anvesha. I work with Good Return and I'm the manager of impact and effectiveness in the organization. We work on the financial literacy of women and we work for the benefits of women and their families. It's very different from the usual workshops where here it made you think, go beyond your comfort zone and look at the macro level and think about things that you generally don't do on a regular basis. So I would say it's not something like you go and hear and participate and you are done. Here you had to engage yourself, think of questions, think of the broader picture, get out of your box and comfort zone as well. And it is all in a very space where you are present and everything is going on in your head as the session was going on. I will definitely take this workshop back to my team and my colleagues where because we do impact investment as an organization, so I would like to start this conversation. One of my colleagues has already done this workshop in the past, so it's good we can connect and work on it together. And being an M&E lead, it gives me a lot of interesting ideas how I can develop or refine my framework for future. We talk about inclusion of women, inclusion of those who are not able to otherwise participate, and ANDE made it possible for me to participate. My baby is here with me and I'm able to nurse her and be in the workshop, which I'm sure any other organization wouldn't have thought of. And making that happen and going that extra mile for participation, it's brilliant that the organizations are walking the talk as well. We talk about inclusion in some space, and here we are. I feel included because you made that happen.